everyone, welcome back to Veganaire. My name is Tamsin Putman and today I'm going to be introducing you to the Tiger Nut Exfoliating Scrub. So this is what it looks like in its packaging, and as you can see there are two sides to the bar. There's the balm on one side and on the back is the exfoliating side. So what we do is we just gently massage it so that it starts to heat up and melt slightly. This bar is great if you have sensitive skin because it's quite a gentle exfoliator. So that's melting okay now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to rub the balm over my skin, all over my face, just so that there's a nice coating of balm everywhere before I start exfoliating. So in this balm, it is the cacao seed butter. We've got the tiger nut on the back and there's also violet leaf in here as well. So, and it smells really pretty. Okay, I think I've got enough balm on now. So I haven't got any foundation on, obviously, because I knew I was going to do this for you. So I've just got eye makeup on and some lip balm. So as you can see, I do have one zit, I think. Is it there? Yeah, there. And I think you can probably see my vein. I think I have a vein that likes to show up around here somewhere. But apart from that, my skin's not too bad considering the amount of chocolate I've been eating over quarantine. So I've got the balm on now and I'm just going to gently go over with the exfoliating side, really gently, just to take off the dead skin cells. And I've been using this kind of daily, or at least every other day, just because I really like to make sure my skin is exfoliated so it's glowy, and also so that it's able to take in all the moisturizers that I'm then putting on afterwards. I don't know if you can see the balm on my skin. But what I like to do once that's come off, what I like to do then is take some pads and just take off the excess balm, just so that because it's quite a luxurious balm, it's quite thick. And that way I know I'm also wiping off the dead skin cells as well. Okay, so that's it. I will see you again in the next video. Stay safe and I will see you soon.